Former Attorney General and executive member of the People's Progressive Party, Anil Nandlal, has written the Supreme Court asking to be notified if any legal action is filed in relation to the national recount of votes cast on March 2, 2020. In fact, Nandlal is requesting an opportunity to be heard by the court before any order is granted in relation to the recount exercise. In the letter dated June 8th, Nandlal said, quote, "Please be informed that should any legal proceedings be filed in the Supreme Court of Judicature in relation to or in connection with or in any manner whatsoever touching and concerning the national recount of ballots cast at the general and regional elections held in Guyana on March 2, 2020, being conducted by the Guyana Elections Commission at the Artichon Convention Center, I hereby respectfully request an opportunity to be heard before any order of court is made or any relief is granted by any court in the Supreme Court of Judicature in respect of any such legal proceedings." Nandlal pointed out in the correspondence that he is acting for and on behalf of the People's Progressive Party civic and interested party that would be aggrieved or affected by any such order or relief. His letter was dispatched amid concerns that the APNU-AFC coalition might approach the courts to block GCOM from declaring the results of the 2020 general and regional elections, which was held more than 3 months ago. The recount of the votes cast at the March 2nd poll has confirmed a landslide victory for the PPPC, which secured over 15,000 votes, more than its main political rival, the APNU-AFC coalition. The David Granger-led party has been resorting to the courts to hang on to executive power, starting with the legal actions they filed following the passage of the no-confidence motion in December 2018, which had mandated them to call elections within 3 months. The party had also, after its leader agreed to have a national recount supervised by the Caribbean Community CARICOM, resorted to the courts through its supporter Yulita Moore to block the exercise from taking place. Eventually, the recount action began on May 6, and now 34 days later, it has finally been completed. GCOM has until June 16th to make a final declaration of the results, after which steps will be taken to have the new president sworn in and the democratically elected government, which represents the will of the people, installed. Reporting for the Evening News, Lekran Baguert.